Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a moment. Sorry, it's been about 2 months since I actually did any kind of uploads. Full time, do a lot of crap. So here we go. So I got a new method. If you didn't check out my previous method, it's on Fiverr, and let me tell you, that one was a doozy. That one was really good. A lot of people making some primo cash on that. So you didn't check that out. I made like 10 videos on it. So go back, check them out. Make sure you get some of that capital money right there too. All right, so today I got a brand new method. You haven't seen it anywhere. I haven't released it. I haven't seen it anywhere on YouTube, any of the forums, not at NACE, nowhere. All right. So the gist of it is you're going to be providing a service to different Facebook groups. Now, I know, sounds all crazy, but you could pretty much charge whatever you want. I'm not even going to throw a number out there. No reason why you can't make $100 a day. There's no reason why you couldn't make $1,000 a day if you really, really wanted to. I know that sounds crazy, but once you see how stupid simple this is, you're going to understand, and you're going to start to really see how things work. All right. So what we're doing here is background checks, right? Simple background checks on people, right? So this is mostly for people that are, kind of a bit squeamish about doing Craigslist and doing, eBay and meeting people out in the wild, and they're afraid they're going to get, the Craigslist killer is going to come get them and shoot them in the face for their freaking Nintendo Switch that they're trying to sell because their kids don't love them anymore and they're just trying to get back some of their money. So here's how it goes, right? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through, like, you're going to go on Facebook and you're going to go into different groups, right? So I did the basic. Now, if you do a little bit of a twist here, there's the sky is literally the limit. So I'm from the Cleveland area, and this is just garage sales from my local area, right? So as you can see here, you got Vermilion, not a crazy amount of members, but Lorain County's got 22 garage sales. Blah blah blah. So this is just an all. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to go over here to groups. So this is where you're really gonna crush it or whatever. So this is just the local different areas around here, and you can type in anything. So you got Lorain County, you got Huron, Amherst, Facebook garage sale, blah 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 blah. You've heard this spiel before, but basically what we're gonna do. See, I joined this one already. Let's go in here. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into the group and you're going to talk to the admin and see if you can't get like a pin post or something, maybe even buy a pin post at the top. And of course my computer's loading like so see if you can't get like a pin post at the top, detailing your service, what you do, like, hey, you're a little afraid of the community members, here, check out my service. We can blah, blah, blah. Or what you can do is you could actually message some of these people, like, especially if they have like, pickup and blah, blah, blah. You can say, hey, I provide a background service and, $5, $10, and you can check out this person, make sure that they're safe, right? This really is going to work more for buyers than for sellers. But, to do a background check for, you're looking at $50. And basically what you can do is you can offer it as a service for $5, $10. Now, I know that sounds like crazy or whatever, but if you had a pin post at the top in one group that had like 5,000 members, you might get, a couple leads a day. But if you were in, 20 different groups and you had the pin post and, you're getting your try hard on and you're really going at it really hardcore. I mean, there's no reason why you can't drum up 10 people a day, at $10 or 20, even 20, that's still a steal. I mean, most background checks are like $50, right? So you're providing a service, you're providing a value. And, these are just like one-offs. These are people aren't interested in, this isn't like their soulmate or anything. They just want to make sure that they're not going to die kind of thing. So the other one is doing dating sites. Same kind of thing. Like, this is even more kind of risque. People will probably pay a little bit more to make sure that they're, kind of safe in these kind of environments. You're meeting somebody for the first time. It's a romantic issue. Things can go left to center real quick. So they definitely want to know that they're safe and that everything's great. And if you're not starting to see the value in this, I don't know what to tell you. This is literally a gold mine. You can twist this so many different ways. It's not even funny. If you're an employer and you're looking to hire employees, you can background check them. Then there's just like literally 100 different ways on why you would want to know. You can go into neighborhood watch groups, and you can do background checks on the people around there. Tons and tons and tons of different ways to just spin this. But basically, people want to feel safe, and you're providing them with that service. Now, if you find value in this, definitely I'm going to leave a link to this service. I can't hold your hand and spoon feed you any more really than that. I mean, you're going to have to do the work. You're just going to have to contact these people. It's a grind. It's not passive. I mean, this is definitely going to be active. You're going to, but dude, there's so simple, so easy to just go in there and literally just one by one, just make this work. Here's another thing. This guy's selling a car, right? So he definitely would the background check the car, check the license plates and stuff like that. Make sure it's not stolen, any of that kind of stuff. So, I mean, there's just tons of different ways that you could do this. So if you like this, give it a like, give it the thumbs up, do all that cool jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next video.